Good day mga karelo. So today they have a watch review again. This watch is a Taguer Aquaracer WAF1414. This watch is a lady watch, 37 mm, 9 mm thickness of this watch. As you can see, stainless steel bracelet. So this watch is a Taguer Aquaracer 300 meters of water resistance. So this watch is good for diving, swimming. So no worry for the water because this watch is like he can resist at least 300 meters. So this watch is a stainless steel bezel, unidirectional rotating bezel. As you can see here, I can rotate it. Let's check if they have a play when I turn it back. No play for this watch, so very good. As you can see, very smooth. They have a good rotating here because they have a gripping here to easily to rotate, because if you can rotate it by this one very hard. So the design of this one, as you can see here, this one is to assist you to rotate it, because if you can rotate it here, your finger not touch for this one, so you cannot rotate easily. As you can see, I can demonstrate you right now, so you can easily to turn it. So this is the design of this six edges of this watch. So this watch is luminous on hour and minute hand. Then the hour markings here, luminous also. This watch is a mother of pearl dial, very beautiful dial here, as you can see. Let's check. Okay. So they have a lock from the buckle here, double lock, one lock, and then a second lock here. First lock is from here. So the second lock, they have a Taguer indicate here, Taguer lettering here. We can see. So this we can check. Taguer. Okay, stainless steel, the bracelet. They have a, okay, they have a diverse extension here, as you can see. So this watch is designed for dive because even this is a lady watches. So you can she can use it for diving. You can use it for diving. So let's check for the wrist check. Even though I am this watch is a 7 inches of wrist. So as you can see, not fit to me. Maybe we need to additional bracelet for this one. So let's check here. As you can see, very beautiful watch. As you notice here, let's check at the back of the watch. Of course, this is a common logo of TAG Heuer Aqua Racer. They have a diving helmet here. Let's focus of our camera for more details. So as you can see, the part number of this watch is WAF1414, and then the serial number here. So you can see on the camera here, we can put it. So let's check the watch. They have the crown, they have TAG Heuer logo here. Let's check. Is screw down. It is a screw down. Okay. Screw down lock. This watch is a screw down lock. Let's check. Okay. As you hear, they have a click. So the lock is disengaged. Per spool, so you can adjust the date by clockwise. You can see white background, black number for this watch date. As you can see here, okay. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. So second full, we can check this one is for adjusting the time. As you can see, the second hand is stop also. Let's check for adjusting the time. This watch is a very beautiful watch because from the dial itself is a mother of pearl. Okay, let's check. So let's see what exactly the time when the date was changed. As you can see here, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Okay, 59. So 11:59 exactly when the date was changed. So before exactly the 12 noon, the date was changed in around 11:59 or 23:59 hour. So okay, so this is for our review. Let's back again the crown, and then I can screw in again. So guys, I hope you like for review for this watch. So please like and share, And subscribe for our channel for more watch review. Thank you and bye-bye.